When you have a room, you want your room to be your happy place. Like you spend a trillion hours outside of your room, and then it's like when you come home, you want your room to be the dopest place. Like
I just wanna party, party. She just came to party, party.
update, I've been got my bed frame. Y'all already know that. Let's see. I got a mirror. I'm gonna tell y'all how much that costs in like another video. I'm gonna do like a little budget room thing because I'm not spending a whole lot of money on my room, but I am trying to make it do a little look like, you know, something. So one of the things that I got was this box of LED strip lights, and I bought them from. I didn't buy them like on Amazon. I bought them from OfferUp. The lady was selling them. I think one box was like $25. I got 2 boxes for $50. And if you go on Amazon, it's like one box costs like 55 bucks. This is 32 feet 8 inches, and in each box it comes with the little connector thing to plug it into the wall. This is how you connect into the lights. Comes with a remote. The little let's see, these little things to connect all the lights together. So I have 2 in each box, or maybe it's 2. Oh, there's a spider. It's still alive. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. It's 1 in each box, so altogether I have 4 connector thingies, which means it should work out because in each box comes 2 packs of lights. I think it's going to fit. If it doesn't fit, I'm not going to focus on this wall because when you walk in my room, that's not the part of the wall that you see. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to plug this into the plug that I want to use. Now, I've been asking for a ladder and nobody wanted to help your girl out. I went and bought one from Walmart and I'm going to use it. And then I can't afford the ladder. Let me go get the ladder and set everything up. And let's get into this video.
Table for 10.
I just wanna party, party.
Okay. My lighting is. Oh no, I have to fix that. Okay, so it's not working. They're not changing. I don't know what the fuck. Maybe I have to use. Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the whole little rundown. Excuse my dog in the background. But after I fixed the lights and they weren't sticking, I got it to stick with some tacks and some rubber bands. I'll show y'all later on in the video. Next, the lights weren't blinking, like the remote, it wasn't working. The lights weren't changing. Eventually, I figured out that you had to move a little closer to the lights. I found out that my battery pack that I had for one set of lights didn't work, so that's why the lights weren't really working. Also, you have to connect the strips together properly in order for them to work. So I only had one that was connected wrong, and then I fixed it. But then half of the lights would light up, and then eventually they just didn't come on, period. They didn't come on anymore. So I realized that it was a battery pack for that one that I had. I contacted the person that I got it from. and they're currently sending me a new pack of lights, a new pack of lights and the battery altogether, because I sent them videos of the lights not sticking. None of them stuck, and I did my entire room with the rubber band intact method. I think I have a video of that. I'm gonna insert it and show you guys what I did exactly. And I just started to get frustrated because it just wasn't working out the way I wanted it to, but I got it together with the tacks and rubber bands, and it's a little bootleg, but I like the way it came out. Okay, so I held the lights together with two tacks and a rubber band diagonally, kind of like you would do brackets for your braces. If you ever had braces and rubber bands, you know what I'm talking about. When you cut the lights on, you can't see the rubber bands, and I do have them all around the room holding up the lights literally because they don't stick. The clip of how they looked after maybe an hour of being on the wall. I contacted, this is the video that I sent to the seller to let them know what was going on.
Okay, I'm gonna just give you a little outro and explanation from my bed. This is the complete outcome. This is what they look like. Right now I have them on, brightness is on low and it's on white. I'm gonna turn the brightness up. This is how bright they get.
We're gonna do red. I know it's pink. This is green. This is blue. White. This is, I think, yellow. This is like a baby bluish color right here. Purple. And you have the automatic. I like this because it makes my pictures, like you see the red right there, the red is flashing right here, the green, this looks like it's digital period, and this one right here. And this one is a little bit, this wasn't painted though, and this one wasn't painted.